Mail time. First package we're gonna open up first because this I can use right away in the vlog and you guys will appreciate it. Out microphone. So we're gonna hook this up to the GoPro 5 and with the audio adapter, which is ridiculously sized, but we'll get really good audio now for you guys. So I got the Rode Video Micro, a wind shield here, and the mount, and the mic's gonna be in there as well. So guys, this is audio with the GoPro, and now this is audio with the Rode. In 3, 2, 1. How's that sound? Does that sound a lot better? Next package. This one's pretty exciting because this package was given to me by a company to test on the plane. So here we go. I requested some extra stickers, so I got some extra stickers here. Walter! Ready, set, go! You like that? You like that? Yeah. Got this new product from Fobo Bike. The company name is Fobo and the product is the bike version. So there's 2 sensors. And what it does is it gives you your tire pressure. This will work with an iPhone or an Android phone. You can set up notifications on your phone for different pressure settings. So if it drops below a certain PSI, you can get your phone to notify you automatically. There's no big hub or anything you have to use. It's just these 2 little sensors here. And it talks straight to your phone, which is awesome. So I got them to send me the bike version because I only need 2 sensors. If you do have a trike plane, then you're going to need 3 of these, or you're going to want 3. But because I have a tail dragger, I only need 2, because I can easily check the pressure on my tail wheel. You can see it visually. The problem is with the Pipistrel plane that you can't physically check the PSI of the tire unless you take off the wheel pant, which takes about an hour to do, so this will save you a lot of work. Not to mention scratching up your plane every time you take off your wheel pants. So it's pretty nice that you can check your tire pressure anytime you want, before you fly every time. We're going to open it up here and then we're going to go install it in the plane. Nice little box it comes in. And the battery on this thing, it uses a 2032 battery, like a watch style battery. So it's supposed to last 2 years, which is awesome because you have to do an annual inspection on your plane every year. So you could just change the batteries every year when you do your annual inspection. So we got it open here. Nice packaging. And these are the wrenches to tighten on the sensors, actually the lug nuts. You got 2 of these tightening devices, and then here's the sensors. So we got 2 sensors here. Well, I guess it comes with 4 of these little nuts. So you spin these on first, and then you back tighten it onto the actual sensor. And it comes with batteries as well. Nice. So let's install those. All you do is you spin this cap off, you hold the bottom end, and you spin. Oh, those are actually extra batteries. There's already batteries in here. That's impressive. 24 millimeters width. Depth is about 20 millimeters. ready to bind the sensors to your phone. I've already downloaded the app at home. It's a little warmer. So got the app open and you can set up a free account to start up. So we're gonna hit the plus button here. We got the Fobo bike, and now let's choose what we want it to look like, the graphic. So I think the best one to use is gonna be the reverse trike, because you have your left and right tire and then you got your tail wheel as well. We don't have a tail wheel, but we're gonna do this bike because it makes the most sense. We fill in our bike info. Then you can set up what kind of units you want, PSI and your temperature units. Now we set up what we want for the right and left tire for the pressure, your max and min settings, and then your standard setting. So on this tire we're going to choose about 34. Click done. Installing the sensors, they're installed, okay. So we have to redo one of our installations here, it says. Just unscrew it and screw it back in. So let's go do that. So we try, let's see if it'll connect to them. Maybe I have to stand closer. So these sensors came with extra batteries in my pack. I had to replace them to get them to work. So I got the one connected here. You can see the tire pressure of 31.4. I'm gonna go install this second one. Alright, so I got them both connected now. You gotta make sure your phone's fairly close to the sensors I found for them to connect. You can see both pressures on each tire, right and left. And the one tire is actually too low because I installed and unstalled the sensor quite a few times, so we'll have to fill up that tire a little bit, and yeah, then we'll be good to go. That's really cool. I filled the tire up and installed the sensor, and it's basically instant. It shows you the new pressure setting, so that's really cool. I'm really impressed on how quickly it actually updates the pressure. So this is the big question: does the wheel pant fit over top? Let's find out. Well, so the wheel pant installed okay. Now our biggest test is going to be the rolling test. Let's push the plane and see if we can hear any sounds. Want to make sure that it's not rubbing at all on the wheel pant. And if it isn't, we're good to go. Alright, that's a success. So we have tire pressure monitors on the Pipistrel Virus now, and they officially work with the wheel pant. There's a good inch of space in there between the wheel pant and the sensor. Alright, let's go install the other wheel pant and then we can go for a test flight. Check, 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 check. Hey guys, welcome aboard. Got our new tire pressure monitors installed and it's still working. Got tire pressure on both, which is excellent. Each sensor says it's -11. I'm not sure if that's outside temperature or the inside air temperature. I'll have to look that up. But let's just go for a little flight, see how they do. Okay guys, we're ready to take off. And we check our tire pressure. Saying 38.4, 38.2. What other airplane can you check your tire pressure wirelessly with?
910 conflicting, Cookie Mike, Fox Charlie, Delta Zulu.
Cookie Lake traffic is Fox Charlie, Oscar Romeo Echo, turning final 10, Cookie Lake traffic, Fox Charlie, Oscar Romeo Echo.
Cookie Lake, Fox Charlie, Delta Zulu, taking off for 10, right hand to ground, calling 23500, Fox Charlie, Delta Zulu.
And we're off. So we're up. Nice beautiful day out there. Cold, wintry day. A little bit of cloud here, 3,500 feet. And check it out. We got our tire pressure right here. I was curious to see if it worked while you fly. That's why I'm up here flying, because there's magnetic interference with the engine with wireless signals, but
Indy November Victor, final 12, kilometer.
this goes to show you how well this works, and yeah, I'm really happy about that, so that's awesome. Let's just cruise around a little bit, and then let's go land.
Cookie Lake, Fox Charlie, Delta Zulu, about 3 miles to the southeast, inbound to land, we'll cross the bridge going down for 10, Cookie Lake, Fox.
So we're going to keep this flight short because the GoPro is running out of battery life and I want to get the landing on footage. Let's head back. Just getting warm and now we're going to land.
Turning final R10, full stop, Cookie Lake, Fox Charlie, Delta Zulu.
Cookie Lake traffic, Oscar Golf Avian, going on downwind for runway 10.
A bit of a crosswind here today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video review. If anyone out there wants to send me products, if you have an aviation company and you have a product that you think I might like to try, or if you guys are from a camera company, I'd love to test out some new cameras in here, get different perspectives, try a 360 camera. So yeah, if you guys want to send me products, I'll have my email address in my about page and you guys can hit me up with an email. See here, it's still working. Awesome. I'm really impressed with this Fobo tire pressure monitor system. Very seamless. I'd highly recommend it to you guys. Watch my vlog if you have an airplane. Go get a set for yourself. Nice Christmas gift to yourself. See ya and fly safe, guys.